Let's talk about Pumace Bonsai Soil 2 liters medium mixture for growing repotting bonsai trees. Granulated pumice ideal as part of bonsai soil. Free draining yet holds lots of water. Aims airflow through soil medium. Promotes healthy roots. Decent from what I can see. Got nothing potted up yet, so don't know how it performs, but size looks good, and just from looking at it I think it'll be good stuff. I've bought pumice stone before and had to cut it down to size, but this has a ready to go size to it. I did put it through my sieve and had a few tiny bits that came through, but it's near on good to go straight in the pot. Essential for a good bonsai potting mix. Perfect for making a balanced bonsai growing medium.